Ninja thirsty, not fizzy? Here's how to fix a flat drink. If your Ninja Thirsti is making drinks with little or no fizz, don't worry, here's how to get your bubbles back fast. Step 1. Check your CO2 level. The most common reason for flat drinks is low or empty CO2. If the sparkle button is orange, that means you've got about 25 drinks left, but fizz can weaken well before that. If your drinks come out totally flat, swap in a fresh Ninja CO2 canister. I've linked the one that fits this model below. It's the only type designed for a proper seal and full carbonation. Step 2. Confirm the CO2 canister is fully installed. Open the back door and twist the canister to the right, firmly by hand. It should stop completely. Then press it into place and close the door. If it's even a little loose, the system won't carbonate. Step 3. Use very cold water in the reservoir. Fizz works best with cold filtered water. Fill the reservoir with water chilled to about 37 degrees Fahrenheit. The colder it is, the stronger the carbonation. You should also see the blue cold water light at the bottom glow brighter when the temp is ideal. Step 4. Clear and reseat the flavor pod. If you're using flavored water drops, open the flavor carriage, remove the pods, and reseat them firmly until they click. A pod that's loose or misaligned can block the CO2 flow or force the system into still mode. Step 5. Try a plain sparkling test. Press the sparkling button, select no flavor, and run a 12-ounce sparkling water. Listen for the CO2 hiss. If it's silent or still comes out flat, the issue is carbonation, not flavor. If this test works, the problem may be with your pod. If this helped you fix your flat thirsty and get your fizz back, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a fresh canister, I've linked the one I use below. It's compatible, safe, and gets your fizz working properly again. Thanks for watching, and stay bubbly.